We are here today because of the dwell time. Dwell time meaning from the time I truck a queue, the trucks are queuing now behind me. From the time we queue till we exit. Over a long period of time, and we have done some data study. It has been taking over 2 hours to do one move. A move in a container. We're supposed to be doing 10 containers a day. We're doing 3. We have been lobbying all the stakeholders, Port Authority, Kingston Seaport Terminal, Jamaica Customs Agency, and we have given them proposal that we believe can bring a shorter dwell time, possibly under an hour. But these have not been, they have been accepted, but the time it's taking for them to actually implement it is long. The executive of the Port Traders Association did not call this withdrawal a service. It was out of the frustration from our members. Because when we lobby and we meet and we come back, they say they're not getting anything and the meetings are not working. So they are saying that we need to meet. We have a meeting scheduled by about 11:30 to speak with the stakeholders, to come back to the membership, to give them something so that they can resume the service.